Hello everyone, welcome in the job notification YouTube channel. So as you see here is a new notification was released from the Union Public Service Commission, that is UPSC, for ESE or IES, means in engineering services or Indian engineering services. Here was a new notification from the UPSC was out. As you see here, last date for submission of application was 27th April 2021. Candidate to ensure their eligibility for examination. All candidates are requested to clarify, read the rules of engineering services examination notified. So as you see here, how to apply. For application, candidate are required to apply online by using website www.upsconline.nic.in. The facility of withdrawal of application is available for those candidates who do not want to appear for the examination. So as you see here, there is a not important points. The online application can be filled from 7th April to 27th April. So friends, it was starting from today onwards. So apply for this. So as you see here, requirement on the result of examination with the made of service as civil engineering, mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, and electronics and telecommunication engineering. For civil engineering, group post was central engineering services for roads, survey AEE in BRO, IDSE, AEE in MES. And for mechanical, the post was AEE in GS, Independence, Indian Skill Development Services. So as you see, the class 1 post from the all over India was managed by these ESE or IES officers. For electrical, there was these types of services were available and you are deployed after the successful compilation of process. The eligibility transgender for AEE civil in BRO was this, and the centers for prelim examination was Agartala, Ahmedabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dehradun, Cuttack, Chennai, Kochi, Mumbai, Rainbow, Ranchi, Shillong, Sambalpur, Panji, Nagpur, Madurai, Lucknow, Kolkata, Koin. So as you see here are these types of the preliminary notification. And for the mains, these are the exam centers was available in these cities. So after that, the eligibility condition was nationality is Indian, citizenship in India, Bhutan, Nepal or other. Age limit was on 1st January 2021 was completion of 21 years and up to 30 years. So as you see in below, CPW, CPS candidates are reserved relaxation for SC, ST, OBC, EWS, VW, ex-servicemen must ensure they all are entitled to such reservations. And then medical examination statics, which was same for physical standards for eye contacts or color blindness, they have given. For apply online, you should go on the UPSC online website and fill the form. So as here, I will put the link in the description of this full notification, and for application too, you can check it out and you will apply for this. So friends, the notification was not included the railway vacancies, so we think that railway vacancies will be in shortly, they will disclosed. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for getting more job updates in private as well as in government. Thank you.